Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable button in Excel. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, you need to go over to File. Once you click on File, go down and simply tap on this Options. In Options, click on Customize Ribbon. Now, when you are in Customize Ribbon, you need to make sure that the Developer tab is check mark. If it's check mark, then you are good to go. So click OK, and now you will notice that the Developer tab is now available. So if you want to add in a button, all you have to do is click Insert and click on the first top left icon and then simply draw the button like this. Now you can name it yourself and click OK. But remember, just because you have added in a button and you click on it, it doesn't mean that it's going to do anything. For the button to actually do something, you have to assign it a macro, and that's basically regarding you doing something. So when you press the button, Excel will know to do something, and that's how you can add clickable button in Excel. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add a clickable button in Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.